Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home and bathroom fixtures. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Delta Black showerhead and handle set on the market. The Delta Faucet Arvo 14 Series single-handle shower faucet with an 2-in-1 dual handheld showerhead, matte black. This stunning set combines style and functionality, and it's one of the top choices for those looking to upgrade their shower experience. Let's start with the design. The Arvo 14 series features a sleek matte black finish that adds a touch of modern elegance to any bathroom. Whether you're remodeling or just replacing your existing shower fixtures, the contemporary design of this set will certainly make a statement. But it's not just about looks. This showerhead and handle set is packed with features that elevate your shower time to the next level. One of the standout features of this product is the 2-in-1 dual handheld showerhead. It offers the unique ability to use the hand shower separately or securely docked within the showerhead. This dual functionality allows for a versatile showering experience, whether you need a powerful stream for rinsing off or a more targeted spray for a relaxing massage. Speaking of spray options, this showerhead comes with 4 powerful spray settings: full body spray, massaging spray, a combination of both, and a pause function. These options ensure that you'll always have the perfect water flow for whatever you're in the mood for, from a soothing rain-like shower to a more intense massage. Now, let's talk about temperature control. The Delta Arvo 14 series includes the Monitor Pressure Balanced Valve cartridge, which protects you from sudden temperature changes. It ensures that the water temperature remains consistent even if there are fluctuations in water pressure from appliances like toilets flushing. This feature adds an extra layer of comfort and safety, so you won't be shocked by sudden bursts of hot or cold water. Installation is made easier with the included Delta Multi-Choice Universal Shower Valve. This valve is compatible with most Delta shower trim kits, meaning you can upgrade your shower without tearing out tiles or altering the plumbing. It's a simple yet effective solution for anyone looking to refresh their bathroom without major renovations. As with all Delta products, the Arvo 14 series shower set comes with a lifetime limited warranty. You can install it with confidence knowing that you're backed by one of the most trusted brands in the industry. In summary, if you're looking for a high-quality showerhead and handle set that blends functionality, style, and comfort, the Delta Faucet Arvo 14 series is a top contender. Its versatile hand shower, multiple spray options, and temperature protection make it an excellent choice for anyone who values both luxury and practicality in their bathroom. So, if you want to upgrade your shower game with the best Delta Black showerhead and handle set, this is definitely a product worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.